What we're going to do today is we're going to use our Trutone Jeweltone bulbs. I'm going to use the orange bulbs right here, and we're going to put them up for Halloween around my front steps. So we have wire that's going to go around the top and around the bottom, around here, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to have these C9 bulbs that go all the way around that we are going to use. We are going to use C9 strands, and then we're going to put them up with these white zip ties. So it should look pretty cool when we're done. I don't have all orange, I have the multicolor pack, so we're just going to take the orange out of each of these 4, and that should give us 20 bulbs. And if we're short, we can use some purple for Halloween, and then we'll see how it looks. I did make wires that fit all of this, so I just cut the wires, and then I put male and female ends, and I made it so they all match the right one, and they're all going to go here. I did that last year, so I have those over here. Put our wire here. So we're going to put our zip tie in here. And I put 2. So that it will go all the way around nice and tight. And I use the square edge that it makes right there to hold it. Then I'll come back and I'll cut these zip ties so that they will fit. So I go around the back. One, 2, and I'll go all the way around. As you can see, I use the zip ties and I put them nice and tight around the C9 socket with the white wire right down the middle. So I'll come back and I'll cut all of these off, and you won't even know that they're there. It makes a nice clean look, and I'm going to finish by going around. And so here, I hold it right here. I can put these long zip ties all the way around. And I can pull it tight. And I like to use the corner where it makes a square, and it fits there nice and perfect. And it holds it. And like I said, I like to use 2. For each one. That way it won't go anywhere. And zip ties are one of the tricks to putting up Christmas lights, because you can use them almost anywhere. And we live by a fire station, so hopefully everybody's okay. See, I use 2 zip ties on each side, and I go all the way around. I started here and I ended here. I'll have an extension cord that I'll make that fits directly to my outlet over there, and then I come all the way up, and up here, because I make my own wires, I have added a female end right here where I can plug in a wreath that'll be on top. So I'll have a light that goes up top here, and I just plug it into this. So then all of this is one piece, and it's nice and clean, and there's no real long wires. So just one wire that will go over there to where I plug it in. So now I'm going to come through and cut off all of these clips, and you will not even notice that all these white zip ties are here. I always buy extra long zip ties, because what you don't want to do is end up having zip ties that are too short. Then you're just wasting time and money, because you have to buy new ones or buy more. So I just buy long ones. So now we're going to quickly put on this wire on this side that I made last year. So we'll put it on, and hopefully it goes quick, and then we'll be back in a minute to have the fun part of putting in the light bulbs. And now's the fun part. We're going to come put in our Jeweltone by Trutone. So these are the orange ones. We're going to put them in. I plugged it in so that you can see what they look like when I put it in. and then I'm going to come back and do the rest of them, but I'm going to unplug the cord so I don't accidentally electrocute myself. But there we go. So those are the orange Jeweltone by Trutone. I just love the way they look. I'm going to go finish it up all around the steps, and then we're going to come back and see what it looks like. So here we have all the orange Jeweltones in. There are 20 bulbs on this side, evenly spaced. It looks nice and neat. I ran out of orange, so I'm gonna put some magenta in there too, I think, or red. We'll see what looks better to fill in some of the spots, because I still have to come on the other side and put my orange over there. So we'll see how it looks when we're all done. It's darker now, and I replaced one bulb with an incandescent bulb. So if you can figure out which bulb it is, then that's pretty impressive. However, if you can't, it just shows how well these bulbs do of fitting right in and looking like incandescent, even though they are LED. So, can you figure out which one it is? It's this one right here. This is an incandescent bulb. It's already hot, and these are LEDs next to it. There you go, we'll put it right on it. So you can't really tell. Maybe a little bit thinner on the light on the inside. But to me, it's perfect. Everything that I've always wanted. Cool look, but LED so I can plug in as many as I want. So I hope that helps. And have a great Halloween, everybody.